Hello everyone, hi, this is Priyans Dikshit. And today I have come live in front of all of you with a motivational story. A story that tells us how a mother play an important role in the development of a child. This story tells us how a mother transformed a mentally disabled child to the greatest scientist of 20s era. This story relates to Thomas Alva Edison, who is known as the famous scientist of the world. When he was in his young age, he used to go to school. In his school time, he was not a good student. So he always felt difficulties while studying. So his teachers were very troubled with him. One day, his principal sir called him into his room and gave him a letter and told him to show that letter to his mom. Then Thomas Alva Edison went back to his home and showed that particular letter to his mom. As soon as her mom opened that letter, her eyes just filled up with tears. Then Thomas Alva Edison asked the reason why she is crying. Then her mother told her that the thing that is written in this letter is that your child is too genius to be taught here in this school. So we can no longer allow him to study here further because we don't have such facilities, we don't have such teachers who can train him perfectly. So please teach him at your home because he is too genius. So since from the next day, her mother started to teach him at his home, and she made a big list of his weaknesses and tried to overcome those weaknesses one at a time. So gradually, the Thomas Alva Edison started to develop his own personality. He started to overcome his all the weaknesses one at a time. Soon he transformed himself into a greater scientist from a mentally disabled. After a few years, her mother passed away and he became a very famous scientist. So one day when he went back to his old home, he found a suitcase. When he opened that suitcase, he found the same letter from the principal sir. When he opened that particular letter, her eyes just started to fill up with tears. When he read that, the thing which is written in that letter was just opposite, which her mother had told her in the past. The thing which was written in that letter was that your child is too dull to be taught here in this school. So we can no longer allow him further to study here in our school because our school is very reputed. So we can't allow such a mentally disabled child to study here further. So please take him out of the school. So after reading that letter, Thomas Alva Edison just started crying and he just rememorized her passed away mom, because after reading that letter he came to know that how her mother transformed her life by lying such things, because if she were not lie at that time, then his condition were not improved and he would not become a famous scientist in future. So guys, through this story I want to tell you all of you that the mother's role is very important in a child's personality, because the mother is a very first teacher who trains her at our home and tries to improve our weaknesses and tries to convert those weaknesses into our strengths. So always respect your mother. So guys, through this story I want to tell to all of you that all our dreams can come true if we have the ability to pursue them further. When you will start improving your personality, when you will start improving your mistakes, then you will become a better person in the future. So always stay motivated, always try to improve your mistakes, always try to learn something every day, because every day is a new day and you can learn something every day, because the secret of getting success is just to start. When you will start your new life, then you will come to know that you have so much abilities and you can go up further with those abilities and you can make your name in such a way that the world should come to know, yes, there is a person with this name, and you have to enlighten your parents' name, your family name in such a way that everyone should have proud of you. So guys, please stay motivated, please try to improve your mistakes, please try to go up in the future with your abilities. Just improve them, just go further.